Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making beef stew. You will need 1.5 pounds of cubed beef stew, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 cups of beef broth, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 4 red potatoes, 4 carrots, 4 stalks of celery, and 1 onion. In a freezer bag, season the meat with salt and pepper. Now coat the meat with 2 tablespoons of flour. Heat the oil to medium-high heat and brown the beef for 5 minutes. Remove the beef from the pan and transfer it to your slow cooker. Using 1 cup of broth, deglaze the pan. Now add the onions and sauté for 3 minutes. Remove the onions from the pan and add it to the slow cooker. To the slow cooker, add the remaining beef broth, potatoes, carrots, and celery, and mix well. Now add the garlic, rosemary, thyme, and Worcestershire sauce. Mix well, cover, and allow it to cook for 3 hours. After 3 hours, add the remaining flour for thickness, cover and allow to cook for an additional hour. If you're looking for a hearty cold weather dish, please try this pot roast, you'll love it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.